Good morning, my fellow traders. Just have to write some answers here, sorry. All right, so basically it's my very first for today webinar, and what I'm going to do now at the moment here, so just a quick look at the market condition, what we have there, and well, regarding the Asian session hours. So basically the Asian session is going to finish in about 50 minutes, 50. So it will be good to kind of see which levels has worked and which didn't, basically. All right, so have a look. All right, so this is Aussie. So the price is in range. It has been in range the whole night. So I do expect it to bounce off one of these two levels, to be honest. Don't think that it will go continue to go a bit further to 0.75456. I do think that the price will bounce off one of these, 75171. It's a good level for now, and the next one where these two lines are. So basically, and I do expect it to go down as the main direction is down as well. Okay, that's Aussie. Let's go a bit further. Right. What's happening? It doesn't look like my internet is working well. That's not something what I like. All right, let me wait then till the chart will be loaded. Well, basically, I do use TradingView for analysis, and because for me it's quite convenient. I can use one platform for analysis, and then I use few platforms to trade. So basically, I don't create kind of all these lines, you know, shapes. The whole analysis is on one place, basically, and that's it. It's very convenient for me. So, all right. Okay, so I do want to buy euro pound, and I do expect it to go down below. Let me show you one more time. All right, to go down below this level here, it's 0.83738. I might be wrong. The possible entry might be here also, which is 0.84004, but well, I do expect it to go a bit further down, and I will kind of try to buy it around this area here, so which is 0.83738. Again, I will recount the levels in 1 hour time, and I will post them. Normally, for all my instruments I trade, it takes about 1 hour. So it takes about 5 minutes to count them, but to place them on the chart and to share it with you, it takes about 1 hour. All right. So what is next, actually? So don't see any particular patterns at the moment. Only for those who are trying to trade intra-trend trading. So basically, that might be a good selling point around 0.8412 to sell with a target around here, 0.8373, short stop loss and trailing position, something like this. But I'm not going to do it. I want to buy, and I'm looking for a place where to buy with a better price. All right. So it's euro dollar. Let me wait till it will be loaded. Strange. Strange. Right. Okay, euro dollar. So want to sell it. As you can see, well, probably those of you who are following me on the trading view, they do know that the price, well, I want to sell it basically, and I'm waiting for this level to be triggered at least, which is 1.10384. Don't think that the price will continue its down movement from here. So do wait for a bounce a little bit towards this level here, and we can see that the price has already triggered these stop losses around this area here. And yes, the price will, well, it does look, and this is a good sign for it, that the price will trigger these stop losses around these levels at least. That's basically what makes me thinking that the price will continue its movement towards this level, 1.10384 at least. All right, so this is the level I'm waiting to sell off. All right, let's go further. Okay, what's that? I need New Zealand. Where is it? Something is happening with, I don't know, is it connection or something with my computer? Don't really like what is happening. Okay, so New Zealand. Well, basically what I want to do with it, I want to sell it. And it does look like we are going to have a very good selling point here. So the price is approaching to this level here, 0.70628. It actually has already triggered this level here. So I will, that's not normally what I do, but I will place a limit order just at this level here, 0.70628. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So it's a short position from here. The original stop loss I will place just above this level here. Why? Because well, it gives me some ideas that the price will possibly reach this level and then it will kind of drop. So that's something I'm waiting for, and my target will be here. So which is free. Well, risk reward ratio is all right. I mean, we can't place more than 2% here, but well, at least we can try. All right, so it's New Zealand, placing a limit order. All right, so then I'm going to place a, where is it? All right, so I'm going to place a stop loss Well, of course, I will review this position, because the thing is that if I'll have a clear, well, let's say in half an hour, if I'll have a clear entry signal around this area, then I will try to use my limit order approach. So we'll move my limit order a bit further down. So that's it. Well, the reason I'm placing the limit order just at this level is because the price is normally giving us some tails and wicks during the session open, you know. Also, what can happen here, well, some of you probably can see that it's a first shoulder, head, second shoulder, you know, so, or second shoulder is probably forming here. So the price can actually break through this level also and continue its up movement. But again, I don't like the fact that the price hasn't actually cleared any of these levels here. So it has to clear the level first and then go in this direction. All right, so that's something I'm thinking about. All right, so it's let's see, just the first try for today. So all right, done with New Zealand. Let's go to CAD. Definitely something's wrong. All right, we'll have to check it. Okay, dollar CAD. Well, as you can see, the price is going up, and we do have a well, for now, I'm still kind of in a direction of the main trend. Well, not the main trend. It's not even the main trend, because if we'll switch to, let's say, 1-day chart, you'll see it's not really the main trend here. So it does take time. Excuse me for that. All right. So as you can see, so we are in a congestion and a triangle here as well. So it might be like the first, second, and third wave. So it's kind of 1, 2, and 3, you know. So, but still, you know, this level, no matter how many waves you will count and what kind of approach you will use here, well, the thing is that we do see here very strong resistance. And this price, well, these highs here, they have already tested all these highs below before. I mean, 1, 2, 3, you know. These two haven't been tested yet, so the price might continue towards here as well. So it all depends. So the reason I'm talking about it is that it's all right for now to buy, but we have to think about these levels as well, and we must also know that, well, we might have like first wave, second wave, and third wave, you know, just below this low here, and then the price will continue its up movement. So it's something what might happen as well. All right. So anyway, the price is going up, and it's good idea to buy it at the moment, but not at the moment. We have to find a good entry point here. All right. So this is it about Canada. So let's go to Swiss franc. Frankie. Come on. This is it. Well, want to buy it. Well, it does look like the let's say bullish pattern is forming. We don't. Well, I don't see anything clear here, and we might have kind of a third wave towards this area here at 0.98344. So that was the first one, second, and third towards here. So 0.98344, and then I'll try to buy it still. So basically, those of you who are following me know that I'm already kind of I've already missed a few trades here. I've tried to buy it here, so, and missed a little bit. So basically I'm still looking to buy it here. All right. So let's go a bit further. It's yen. By the way, New Zealand is going down at the moment. I might be right, but still, I don't want to enter using a market order at the moment. And well, I'm not going to switch to New Zealand here to show you. The only thing is that I can actually do here is show you my terminal. Well, one of the terminals here I've got. You can see, so here I've got, well, the limit order around this area here. And as you can see, the New Zealand is already going down. Okay, and what might happen is that the price will continue its down movement. And well, as I told you before, it might be a head and shoulders, and the price will give us another kind of move towards upside. But then I'll just try to sell it with a better price. So what can actually happen is that basically we'll possibly see a wick towards here to trigger these stop losses around this area here. So that's basically, I don't have a take profit yet, but that's something what I will try to do here. Okay. All right. Okay. Yeah, right. Okay, so dollar yen. Want to sell it, but first of all, I do really want to see a good up move. So what can actually happen here? We might already have a reversal here. So the price was going up. Now it does go down. 1, 2, 3. The price has already broken through this area here. So we might have something like this. So 1, 2, 3 to break through this level just around here. But we might also reach only this level here, which is 106.175, and then sell it off this level here. So still want to sell it, looking for a better entry at the moment. Well, I will wait for this level at least, 106.471. Or somewhere like 106.40, somewhere around here. These are the levels I'm waiting for, this area. Basically, let me draw it for you. So this area, okay. Let's go forward. Let's go further. It's Mexican. So let's wait now till it will be loaded. Okay, Mexican. Want to sell it and you know it. So due to the very good patterns on the weekly chart, we have already had like 1, 2, 3 waves here. So like a 3-wave structure. Now we are trading like 3 waves back. So the possibility of triggering this level is very high here. This level is also high because they're very close to each other. So I do believe that actually the price will possibly reach this level at 18.60 before it will continue its down movement. So that's something what I'm waiting for. So this level here. Okay. Let's go to the gold. Last one for now. Okay, the price is going up at the moment. Well, don't really like this tail or a wick here. So don't really like it. The possibility is that the price will kind of reverse because with this tail, well, the market has actually triggered almost every single stop loss in the area. So that's something, and it has also triggered this level 1337.02. Well, I remember I told you before that these kind of weeks like this one, like extraordinary, I mean, in its size, well, they are, most of the time they are filled. So what I'm trying to say to you is that the price will likely continue its up movement towards around here before it will kind of come back, if it will. It's not necessary that it will. All right, because something what I'm expecting is that the price will drop towards 1328 and I'll be able to buy it from this level, but it's not necessary will happen. But that's something what gives me an opportunity to buy lower. All right, because even if we'll do our blending analysis here, so it will kind of help us to see that all this kind of this night's accumulation can be an accumulation actually of downtrend, at least a short term. All right, guys. That's all for now. Basically, if you want to review what I've already said, so you can just wait till this webinar will be uploaded. Use the same link. You'll be able to see what I've been talking about market today, this morning. And that's about it. All right, guys, I'll see you later. And I really wish you all a very, very good day today, good trading day. So I'll see you in 2 hours now. No, not in 2, in 3 hours, 3.5. And we'll talk a bit deeply and with new levels on European session, basically. Okay, guys, so have a good one. I'll see you later.